So here we have another one of these darn tubular fuel tank sending units that has the float on the inside. This one was, the contacts were corroded on the inside, and a lot of times these things die because they, oops, there we go. I'm just holding the connections with my fingers in the back. You can see the thing works. A lot of these things, they get really corroded because somebody will leave the car with a half a tank of gas in it in a garage for 5 years, and they really deteriorate. But this one was in pretty good shape. It just minor lacquer coating on the contacts. So everything is cleaned up now. And there was actually also the possibility of a shorted wire coming out of the tube in the bottom end, but we put shrink tubing around that. And you can see it works, so we're happy campers. Also, the low fuel tank warning light didn't work on this, and we've got that operational now too, but save it for another video. Thank you.